Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on December the 18th, 2019. U.S. House approves $1.4 trillion spending package. The U.S. House of Representatives late on Tuesday approved a $1.4 trillion spending deal to prevent a partial government shutdown. This package also would raise the U.S. tobacco purchasing age to 21 and permanently repeal several of the Affordable Care Act's taxes. The spending package now heads to the Senate, where lawmakers aim to approve it before current government funding runs out on Saturday. The legislation worked out between leading lawmakers and the president's administration denies Trump the full $5 billion they requested to help build the U.S. Mexico border wall, keeping funding unchanged at $1.37 billion. White House spokeswoman Kellyanne Conway said Trump is nevertheless expected to sign the $1.4 trillion bill this week. Oil prices drop amid gain in U.S. stocks. Oil prices declined on Wednesday after U.S. industry data showed an unexpected increase in crude inventories. However, expectations for firmer demand next year kept losses in check. International benchmark Brent crude futures dropped 38 cents or 0.57% to $65.72 a barrel on Wednesday, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude futures slumped 46 cents or 0.75% to $60.48 per barrel. Oil contracts rose more than 1% during the previous session due to eased pressure on the oil benchmarks amid Phase 1 U.S.-China trade deal agreement. Data from the American Petroleum Institute showed that U.S. crude inventories increased 4.7 million barrels in the week to December the 13th to 452 million, compared with analyst expectations to a draw of 1.3 million barrels. Fiat and Peugeot agreed $50 billion merger deal. Fiat Chrysler and Peugeot owner PSA stated on Wednesday they had agreed on a binding merger in a $50 billion deal that will help them to create the world's fourth largest car maker. The auto firm said in a statement that PSA-FCA merger is expected to close in the next 12 to 15 months. The deal is aiming for annual cost savings of €3.7 billion, $4 billion by combining technologies and through shared purchasing agreements. Two automakers confirmed the new company will have an 11-strong board with 5 members nominated by PSA and other 5 by FCA. This will include labor representatives from both. Business confidence rises in Asia. According to the Thomson Reuters Insight survey, business confidence among Asia companies surged this quarter to an 18-month high, with firms reporting a pickup in sales. Meantime, most are holding off on hiring due to trade war uncertainty. The Thomson Reuters Insight Asian Business Sentiment Index tracking firms' 6-month outlook jumped 13 points to 71 for the fourth quarter. That lifted confidence from close to a decade low in the previous quarter to its highest since June last year. Among the responded companies were firms in industries are varied as automaking, tourism and energy, such as Japan Suzuki Motor Corp, Thai Hotelier Minor International PCL and Australia's Oil Search Ltd. The survey was conducted in 11 Asia-Pacific countries where 45% of the world's population lives and almost a third of global gross domestic product is generated.